Hi, I'm gonna be testing the Mi robot vacuum on this big mess here. I've scattered a mixture of rolled oats, paper, cut pieces of paper, powder, and crumpled pieces of paper all around the room. This may not be the typical mess that you will need to clean, but I just want to test how this robot will fare against this type of mess here. And I'll show you the bin. I've emptied the bin. Here. And after I've emptied the bin, and after the robot is done cleaning, I will show you how it looks like. And I'm pretty excited to see how this robot will do against this really big mess. I scattered the rolled oats over there just to simulate how it will do against how it does edge cleaning. And I think I'm gonna get started right now. Let's press the power button. Again, the power button is located here on top. This is the home and this is the power. And I'll press this and the robot will go in its default cleaning mode. And let's get started. And I'll move the tripod back here. And after the robot is done cleaning, I will give you a close-up look of all this mess here. Let's see how well it does here. And you've already seen the navigation video that I posted a few days ago, and now this is the cleaning test. Hopefully I'll be able to test this on a rug to see how it does, to simulate its performance on carpet. Now, I haven't done this test before. This is the first time that I'll be doing this test, so I am as curious as you are on how this will perform. The papers will simulate the bigger types of mess that this robot will clean, and the powder simulates the fine dirt, and the rolled oats, well, just simulates how it does on food items, dried food items. So the robot, as usual, goes into its edge cleaning mode first before it makes its way towards the middle part of the room. That's the result of the SLAM algorithm that this robot has. As it's making its way towards the rolled oats, I'll be moving the camera back. Okay, it is now cleaning the edge, and let's see how it does. Let me just move the camera back. Gearbest didn't say whether or not this has a dirt detect feature that detects if there is a larger mess, but so far it has really done a pretty good job cleaning the edge. There are a few pieces of rolled oats left, but let's see how it does with the rest of this mess here. So just move out of the way. Hey, it missed that spot over there. It missed that. Left some pieces of rolled oats over there near the chair. And I'll be moving the tripod along here. It's now going in its back and forth cleaning motion. Okay, I think the robot is almost done, and I'll show you again what's left of this big mess that I've created in this room. The robot is now done cleaning, and it's going back to its home base. Okay, the robot is now done cleaning, and I'll show you what's left of all the mess that I've created. As you can see, most of the paper, let me just pick this up. Most of the paper, actually the robot picked up most of the paper, but it's the powder that that it has trouble with. You can see these are what's left of the powder here. And let's go to the part where the rolled oats were, and this is what's left. It did a pretty good job cleaning up the rolled oats, and this is the part that's left near the chair. I guess if I've removed the chair, it would have picked up more, but I left the chair just to simulate real world scenarios. And let's go to the bin right now. Let's just quickly look underneath the robot how much mess we created. This is the bin. You can see The brush has a lot of powder on it, and paper. There's paper here, piece of paper here, another piece of paper here. So let's see. Let's turn it around. Let's see, and wasn't able to pick up this piece of crumpled paper. Again, this is not something that you would typically clean with a robot vacuum. But again, this is just a test to see. Let me just open the, let's move this back. Let's open the bin. Let's open the bin, see how much dirt it got. And remember, this robot has a HEPA filter, so let me just try to focus this here. Okay, this is how much dirt it got. This is the top view, and it got a lot of dirt, which is pretty impressive. My only real concern is the powder, which is really fine. So this and since powder clogs up the filter really fast, it is something that you should something to look at. It is something that can really hamper the performance if you don't clean the filter, if you don't brush off the excess brush of the filter. And let me just get something to dump the dirt on. I'll pause the video. Okay, now I'm back. I'm just gonna dump all the dirt here in this plastic container here. Okay, to open the bin, you just have to pop this out. There's no locks here, just pop this out. Okay, and dump the dirt here. This is how much dirt it got. And this does not come with any cleaning brush, so I'll use the cleaning brush of the iLife here. Okay, this is the cleaning brush for the iLife. You may want to consider getting a cleaning brush for this, just to scrape out the dirt, agitate the dirt, just to agitate the dirt of the filter. Since you cannot wash the filter, you need to agitate it well. And that's it for this is what's left. I'm gonna wash this thing here. It's really dirty. I'm not gonna put it back yet, so let me just take off the HEPA filter here. Just pop this out. Let's try to pop it out here. Pop it out. This is the HEPA filter here, and this is not washable. Okay, remember, this is not washable. You can wash this, but this isn't washable. So let me just put this aside and show you the amount of dirt that it got. Let me just try to focus this here. This is the amount of dirt that it got. So I hope this video helps you see how the Xiaomi robot vacuum cleans. And if you have any questions, as usual, please ask them in the comment section below. Again, thank you for watching.